Today we see examples on complex number on the equality of complex number. म्हणजे जर दोन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर इक्वल टू असतील तर त्यांचे रियल आणि इमॅजिनरी पार्ट हे पण इक्वलच असतील हा कन्सेप्ट घेऊन आपल्याला x आणि y ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची. देन आवर क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x and y if x plus 2y plus 2x minus 3y I plus 4i is equal to 5. Then first of all we write given x plus 2y plus 2x minus 3y I plus 4i is equal to 5. आता आपल्याला दोन्ही साइडला रियल आणि इमॅजिनरी पार्ट सेपरेट करायचे म्हणजे रियल इमॅजिनरी असं इक्वेट करायचं. मग x plus 2y plus 2x minus 3y I is equal to 5. हा 4i आपण पुढे शिफ्ट करू म्हणजे -4i. Now we can equate real equal to real and imaginary equal to imaginary. That means we get x plus 2y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to -4. Now we solve these two equations simultaneously by substitution method or by elimination method. आपण elimination ने सॉल्व करू. आपण पहिल्या इक्वेशनला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करू आणि मग सेकंड इक्वेशन त्याच्यामधून सबट्रॅक्ट करू. मल्टिप्लाय first equation by 2. What do we get? 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. And the second equation 2x minus 3y is equal to -4. Taking subtraction means here minus, plus and plus. 2x cancel. 4y plus 3y 7y is equal to 10 plus 4 14. Then we get the value of y that is equal to 14 upon 7. म्हणजेच y ची व्हॅल्यू 2. आता ही y ची व्हॅल्यू इक्वेशन 1 किंवा 2 मध्ये पुट करून आपल्याला x ची व्हॅल्यू काढता येईल. दॅट मीन्स वी पुट इन 1 x plus 2y y ची व्हॅल्यू 2 is equal to 5. म्हणजेच x plus 4 is equal to 5. That is x equal to 5 minus 4. Therefore x equal to 1. Hence we get solution x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Second example is find the value of x and y if x plus 1 upon 1 plus I plus y minus 1 upon 1 minus I is equal to I. आता इथे पण आपल्याला रियल इमॅजिनरी सेपरेट करून इक्वेट करायचं आणि मग x y ची व्हॅल्यू. अँड फॉर दॅट वी फर्स्ट स्टेप आवर क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. दॅट इज फर्स्ट वी राइट x plus 1 upon 1 plus I plus y minus 1 upon 1 minus I is equal to I given. Now taking cross multiplication x plus 1 into 1 minus I plus y minus 1 into 1 plus I is equal to I. Now taking multiplication at the denominator a plus b a minus b that is 1 square minus I square. आता हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं x into 1 minus I plus 1 into 1 minus I plus y into 1 plus I minus 1 into 1 plus I divided by 1 plus 1 because the value of I square is -1 minus become plus is equal to I. Then x minus xi plus 1 minus I plus y yi minus 1 minus I divided by 2 is equal to I. आता आपण न्यूमरेटरला रियल आणि इमॅजिनरी पार्ट सेपरेट करू. दॅट मीन्स वी गेट x plus 1 plus y minus 1 plus taking I common and write the all terms with I that is minus x then plus y then minus 1 and minus 1 is equal to the denominators 2 we shift to the right side that is 2i. Then x 1 minus 1 cancel. X plus y plus I minus x plus y minus 2 is equal to 2i. आता हे 2i आहे म्हणजेच इथे आपल्याला रियल इमॅजिनरी लिहिता येईल 0 + 2i. Now comparing, we get x plus y is equal to 0 and minus x plus y minus 2 is equal to 2. आता आपल्याला x वरून y ची व्हॅल्यू घ्यायची आहे आणि मग y ची व्हॅल्यू काढून x ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची आहे. दॅट मीन्स हियर वी राइट x इक्वल टू मायनस y, म्हणजे ही x ची व्हॅल्यू मायनस y आपण इथे पुट करू. दॅट बिकम्स मायनस मायनस प्लस y प्लस y minus 2 is equal to 2. 2y is equal to 2 plus 2 4 and therefore y is equal to 2. And if y is equal to 2, then we write x is equal to minus 2. And therefore our solution is x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 2. Next example is x plus iy upon 2 plus 3i plus 2 plus I upon 2 minus 3i is equal to 9 upon 13 into 1 plus I. आता इथे आपल्याला क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करावं लागेल. रियल इमॅजिनरी सेपरेट करून मग इक्वेट करावं लागेल, म्हणजे आपल्याला x y ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल. देन वी टेक क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन x plus iy into 2 minus 3i plus 2 plus I into 2 plus 3i divided by a plus ba minus b म्हणजे 2 square minus 3i bracket square is equal to 9 by 13 into 1 plus I as it is. आता आपण मल्टिप्लिकेशन घेऊ दोन ब्रॅकेटचं. x into 2 minus 3i plus iy into 2 minus 3i plus 2 into 2 plus 3i plus I into 2 plus 3i divided by 2 square 4 minus 3 square 9 I square is equal to 9 by 13 1 plus I as it is. Now multiplication 2x minus 3xi plus 2yi minus 3yi square plus 4 plus 6i plus 2i plus 3i square divided by 4 plus 9 because there is I square and the value of I square is minus, minus minus become plus is equal to 9 by 13 1 plus I. Now we put the value of I square at the numerator also. That means we get 2x minus 3xi plus 2yi plus 3y plus 4 plus 6i plus 2i minus 3 divided by 4 plus 9 13 is equal to 9 by 13 into 1 plus I. Now we shift 13 to the right side and here write the real and imaginary parts separately. Now in first bracket real parts 2x plus 3y plus 4 minus 3. Now imaginary parts minus 3x plus 2y plus 6 plus 2 is equal to हा 13 राइट साइडला गेल्यानंतर 13 कॅन्सल होईल, 9 आतमध्ये मल्टिप्लाय 9 plus 9i. That we get 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus minus 3x plus 2y plus 8 is equal to 9 plus 9i. म्हणजे आता इथे आपल्याला रियल आणि इमॅजिनरी इक्वेट केल्यानंतर दोन सेपरेट इक्वेशन्स मिळतील. फर्स्ट वी राइट आफ्टर इक्वेटिंग रियल पार्ट 3y plus 1 is equal to 9 and the second is minus 3x plus 2y plus 8 is equal to 9. आता हे दोन इक्वेशन्स आपल्याला सायमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करून x y ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची. To solve these two equations, we multiply first equation by -3 or 3 and second equation by 2, then we get multiply first equation by 3 and second by 2. We get 6x plus 9y plus 3 is equal to 27, and second by 2, that is minus 6x plus 4y plus 16 is equal to 18. Now take addition. 6x minus 6x cancel. 9y plus 4y 13y. 16 plus 3 19 is equal to 27 plus 18, that is 45. Then 13y is equal to 45 minus 19. 13y is equal to 45 minus 19 is 26. Then y is equal to 26 upon 13 is equal to 2. Now after finding value of y, put in first or second equation, we get the value of x. We put in first equation, we get 2x plus 3 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 9. That is 2x plus 6 plus 1, 7 equal to 9. Then 2x equal to 9 minus 7, 2, and x equal to 1. Means after solving this equation, after solving the given relation, we get here solution x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Next example is x in bracket 1 plus 3i plus y in bracket 2 minus i minus 5 plus I cube is equal to 0. आता इथे पण आपल्याला रियल आणि इमॅजिनरी सेपरेट करून मग इक्वेट करायचं. Then we can find the value of x and y. Then first of all we multiply x to the bracket x plus 3xi plus 2y minus yi minus 5, and there is a I cube. We know that the value of I cube is minus I is equal to 0. Then real plus real, that is x plus 2y. Take I common and imaginary 3x minus y, and shift that two numbers to the right side. We get 5 plus I. Then easily we get real plus imaginary on left side and real plus imaginary on right side. Then we get real is equal to real after comparing 5 and 3x minus y imaginary is equal to imaginary 1. The coefficient of I is 1. I equate घ्यायचं नाही, आपल्याला I चे coefficients equate करायचे. Now we solve these two equations by elimination, and for that multiply first equation by 2 and second equation multiply first equation by 1 only and second equation by 2. Then we get x plus 2y as it is, and second equation by 2 means 6x minus 2y is equal to 2. After taking addition, 2y cancel, 7x is equal to 7. And therefore we get the value of x, that is 7 upon 7 is equal to 1. Now after finding the value of x, we put this value in equation 1 or 2, put in 1. कशामध्येही केलं तरी चालतं. 1 plus 2y is equal to 5. 2y is equal to 5 minus 1. 2y is equal to 4. That means y is equal to 2. Therefore, we get the value of x is 1 and value of y is 2. Next question is x plus 2i plus 15i raised to 6y is equal to 7x plus I cube into y plus 4. आता ह्या टाइपच्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपल्याला आधी I raised to 6 आणि I cube सिम्प्लिफाय करावं लागेल. त्याच्यानंतर मग आपण इक्वेट करून x y ची व्हॅल्यू काढू. Then we know that I raised to 6, that is I square bracket cube. The value of I square is minus 1, bracket cube means minus 1 only. म्हणजे I raised to 6 ची व्हॅल्यू minus 1 अशी आपल्याला पुट करायची, and I cube is equal to I square into I, that is minus 1 into I, that is equal to minus 1 minus I. Then our equation becomes x plus 2I. इथे I raised to 6 म्हणजे minus, that becomes minus 15y is equal to 7x. I cube म्हणजे minus I, 5 plus 4. x minus 15y plus 2I is equal to 7x minus IY minus, or we write as it is, minus IY plus 4. That means we get real plus imaginary. Again at the right side, real, imaginary, and then we can equate. Therefore, x minus 15y is equal to 7x. By equating real terms, then equating imaginary, that is 2 is equal to, with minus, minus y plus 4. Then we get x minus 7x is equal to, or minus 15y is equal to 0. The first equation we simplify, that is minus 6x minus 15y is equal to 0. And the second equation we write as 2 equal to minus y minus 4, that is y, हा y इकडे घेतलाय, equal to minus 4 minus 2. Then y equal to minus 6. म्हणजे इथे y ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला डायरेक्ट मिळाली सेकंड इक्वेशन वरून. आता ही y ची व्हॅल्यू आपण इथे पुट करू. minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 is equal to 0. That is minus 6x minus 15 into minus 6 is 19 plus equal to 0. Minus 6x is equal to minus 19. That is x equal to minus 19 upon minus 6. Then x equal to minus minus cancel. 6 ones are 6. 15. That means the solution is x equal to 15 and y is equal to minus 6.